What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make smooth text animation in CapCut PC. First of all, go to text section, then select default text, click to plus icon and then change the text, and now select text and change the font. I want to select a bold font and then resize, increase the font size, and now it's time to add the animation. Like, go to animation and find out from here bounce option, bounce left, select this one, and here you can see it's very fast, so you can change the duration to make it more smooth. Like, I want to set for 2 seconds, and you can see it's very smooth. That's it. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.